Hey guys, it's Brady. In this video, I want to give you guys 3 really easy ways to make money as a teenager. My first way is a seasonal job, either mowing lawns or shoveling snow. For these 2 jobs, the best people to ask are older people. Sometimes they can't do heavy work and would much rather pay a younger person to do it for them. An average of $20 can be made for each lawn you mow, or driveway you shovel. If you mowed or shoveled just 5 people's driveways or lawns a week, that's $100 in your pocket at the end of the week. Just imagine how much you can make doing this the entire summer or winter. My second way is by selling items online or locally. This is personally my favorite method, and I still use it to this day. All you have to do is go through your room, find some items you don't want anymore, and post them to the site. My favorites and most recommended sites are Mercari, Lego, and OfferUp. If you guys want, I can post an entire video on selling things online. Just comment down below. My third and final way is something I don't personally have experience with, but I have a ton of friends who do this and make a ton of money. It's dog walking. Dog walking is super easy, and all you have to do is walk the dog, feed it, spend time with it, just like you would with your own. I have a friend who did this, and her neighbor who was always gone, and she would make $20 a day, for days at a time. So that's my 3 ways on how to make money as a teenager. I hope you guys found these useful. Please feel free to drop a like and subscribe.